between real estate, stock, and crypto, right? Which one has actually you have made your most of money, A, and which one is the most reliable asset class to go for?
So see, crypto, I don't know, I don't understand, I'll be honest. I made money in real estate, I made money in equity. I like equity more because of liquidity.
Right.
And I like to know that, if you have bought something, even though it may have volatility in terms of daily price movement, that जब पैसे चाहिए ना निकल जाएंगे.
Right.
ठीक है? Because in both I'm an investor.
Right.
यहाँ
And
पे
the idea is to make money, right? To make profits out of it.
make money. Now there's no point somebody like मुझे कल यहाँ पे कोई मिला कि रेट यहाँ पे बढ़ गया है. ये okay, he told me about a particular market. I said, so if I want to sell tomorrow, can I get it? Said नहीं उतना नहीं, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करना पड़ेगा. कितना ऊपर नीचे? So the thing is, can I get to know how much will I exactly be able to get out of it? So because of that, I prefer stocks. I will rather make money in stocks and then if after making money in stocks, buy a home if I want. For investment and all, though, it's a complete no-brainer to buy real estate in my view. Unless you're buying it at really what, if you can identify that this is a location that's going to pick up, the market is battered.
So a real estate content creator is saying stocks are better.
Yes,
First.
yes.
Okay.
So, but then a real estate content creator who does not sell homes.
Okay. That for you, real estate investment is a gimmick. So buying an end user home is a logical call as per you.
See, you can buy for investment. I don't have an issue in that. But you're very careful as to what sort of investment you do. Because बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ना कि stocks में अरे prices go up and down 30-40% हो जाता है. आपके सामने मैं देख रहा हूँ इतनी बिल्डिंग स्टक है.
Right.
People are bought in. In real estate, there's only 0 or 100, right?
Right.
An under construction stalled project has zero value.
Absolutely.
Okay. So when you're buying at launch, you have to be prepared to know that you may go down fully.
Right. Right.
And the guys who you are sure will deliver 100 or who will deliver fully, they will anyway price it so high that you will not make money as an investor.
Thank you everyone for watching the clip. If you find some value in the clip, do see the entire podcast, which is in the description link. Thank you.